Hello viewer, if you face message not sent, check option problem in Google Message. Let's see the solution. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out apps. Click on apps. Now search Google Message app. Tap on Google Message app. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now clear cache data from the right lower corner. Now go back to your home screen. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Message app. Tap on Google Message app. From here, update your Google Message app. After complete update and installation process, open your Google Message app and make sure your carrier has a balance to send message. And finally, please check your carrier balance for sending a message. So follow all of these steps to fix message not sent check option problem in Google Message.